everyone, my name is Toby, and this will be a linked video. As you can see, this camera is bad because it's on my computer. My sister is on her phone. So, let's get started on drawing the wand. Except I don't have a fucking pencil. So she'll be doing her. And we also have Alexa's. Mine's called Echo. Hopefully you didn't hear that. Sorry for the noise. Table. Let's get to the drawing table. This is new. Don't really know how to do this, but you see it. There we go. So, first off, let's draw my wand. Yeah, this is drawing the wand. Wow, that's a very small one. This is a very weird one. That's the one. Alright, that's my... Let me see. I'm getting target practice ready up. This is going to be my part. Echo. Replay heathens.
I'll repeat the song.
Target practice time. Targets. Up. Not able to see. Oh fuck! What the fuck? We got readied up. Let's check we have a bullet in the chamber. Fuck. Bang, 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 bang. Ah. Right, sit down. Probably get that. Another one down. That didn't even come out. Ah. Boom! I only had 2 left. See? Now, I can speak and do other crap like that. But I don't want to do. I don't want to do some random papaya, as I call it. Right, so let's just get this reset up. This is while my sister gets ready up, and she'll call me, not instead of putting on the Echo or Alexa. Reload your gun. First off, gun and chain.
I don't know that one.
Echo, shush. Now, aim. And yeah. Fire. That's what that's doing. It only takes me a couple more shots. One more. This is the exact same as last time. Why am I crazy? Be right back.
Yellow side in your music library.
Wow, I'm an idiot. Echo. Play the grass is greener on the other side.
The grass is greener on the other side isn't included with Prime, but is available with Amazon Music Unlimited. Would you like to learn more?
No.
Okay. You can sign up anytime by saying, sign up for Amazon Music Unlimited. Here's a sample of The Grass is Greener on the Other Side by the Avens on Amazon Music.
Echo. Play the grass is greener on the other side by FGTV.
I can't find The Grass is Greener on the Other Side by F, G, C, D in your music library.
This is getting annoying. Echo. Play the grass is greener on the other side.
Here's a sample of The Grass is Greener on the Other Side by the Avens on Amazon Music.
Echo. Play Heathens.
Play Heathens from your library on Amazon Music.
There we go. That's it. I'm good.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Echo. Drop in Maria's room. Maria! You done? Are you nearly done? Oh, good. Freaking color! Jump! Right. I'm just going to take some of your coloring pencils. Echo stop.
They say they can smell your intentions. You laughing on the freak show sitting next to you. You like some weird people sitting next to you. You think I didn't get here sitting next to you. But after all I've said, please don't forget. slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of you.
Echo. Please, they say the grass is greener on the other side.
Here's a sample of the grass is greener on the other side by the A-Guns.
Echo.
Music.
Echo. Play the grass is greener on, they say the grass is greener on the other side. Echo. Play, they say the grass is greener on the other side.
The grass is greener on the other side isn't included with Prime, but is available with Amazon Music Unlimited. Would you like to learn more?
No, I would not like to learn more.
The grass is greener on the other side isn't included with Prime, but is available with Amazon Music Unlimited. Would you like to learn more?
Echo. Stop. Echo. Play, they say the grass is greener on the other side.
Here's a sample of The Grass is Greener on the Other Side by the A-Guns on Amazon Music.
Echo, stop! Echo, stop! Echo, drop in Maria's room.
I couldn't find that name. Do you want to drop in your room or Maria's room?
Here we go, guys. So coloured in. Boom. I'm fucking done. Echo, drop in Maria's
I
room.
couldn't find that name. Do you want to drop in your living room or Maria's room?
Maria's room. Alright, guys, let's compare them. My sister's is going to be there. But I'll tell you, mine's a dragon heartstring. 6 feet. 6 inches. Probably not that big. So, and also, mine is redwood. Let's go. Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. Alright, guys, we're here. It's pink now. Here's your pens. Anyway, where's my pencils? Right there.
Are you ready to see? Let me just video this on my phone.
Yeah, she's doing it on her phone. I'm doing it on my computer. I done my own intro, by the way. Pause.
So,
There's hers. I've not got my description,
Ready?
but I told you guys, so you'd go over to her channel and tell them what's her channel.
what the hell is this?
Yeah, it's crap.
It's not got a one shape, but this is mine.
Hers is better.
This is mine.
And now we're going to cut up.
It's the person's moniker name is Nova Spring.
I didn't tell that. I'm not telling you anything.
The length is 10.5 inches. The core is Phoenix Feather, and the wood is rosewood. So yeah, that's mine.
Mine's dragon heartstring,
yeah.
oak wood.